Hi, everyone. I'm Heather Politsch, and I am the junior high and high school resource English teacher. And I want to welcome you to our 2021-2022 virtual open house. And I will be talking about some things going on in my classroom this year. I'm going to share my screen with you. Again, welcome to the 2021-2022 open house. First of all, I'd like to go over some classroom expectations that have been discussed with my students. First of all students school-wide should be prepared, be your best self, be engaged, and interact in classroom lessons, discussions, conversations even. I've also added on in my classroom to be safe, which covers a lot of behaviors in my classroom and outside of my classroom. To be present also relates to being engaged, and make your bed. You may have heard your students talk about this. You'll see it around the building if you're able to come in the building. Make your bed. If you make your bed in the morning, that's one task that you have done, and you can go about your day knowing that you've accomplished something. So we'll continue to talk about making your bed. Here are some things that we'll be working on this school year in my classroom. First of all, I did share a course overview with your students, and that can also be found in their Google Classroom for my classes. So that goes over all of the content, the units that we'll be covering this school year. So we will go over reading strategies, we will read literature, nonfiction, we'll compare texts, and all of those are meant to increase comprehension, increase vocabulary, knowledge, and skills. We will read some novels this school year, and a big thing that I'm sure you are familiar with from past years is text evidence, in reading and writing, using text evidence to support our claims as far as comprehension, or if we're writing an argumentative passage, we always need to use text evidence to support our claims. For writing, we'll go over parts of speech. We'll reinforce writing sentences, the writing process, author's purpose, and writing with purpose, and the four purposes for writing are listed. Again, when we're writing, we still need to use text evidence to support claims. So we will work on that using different strategies this school year. We'll talk about the growth mindset, and I'm hoping you've heard about this already, and the power of yet. So, if students say, I can't do this, I will always come back at them with, you can't do this yet. So that's something that we talk about a lot in my classroom. We have a school-wide retake and redo policy. So any homework assignment, test, quiz in my room, students can redo or retake, make corrections. That's something that's always available and acceptable. Again, that applies on homework, quizzes, and tests. I like to know what the best way is to reach you. A lot of times I will try to call, text, or email parents in order to reach you. And that's necessary to set up IEP meetings or just discuss progress for your student. If you have an IEP meeting with me, I do like to encourage at the high school level student-led IEP meetings. So you may be at an IEP meeting where your student will be leading the meeting, which is always fun and exciting. And at the high school level for IEP meetings, we do shift to transitions and future goals, getting them more focused on what they're going to do when they leave Forston High School. Academics are in with those goals as well. So we reinforce the academics through the transition goals. You can always reach me through email, and my email is listed. I check email often. Better to reach me at this email than it is through Skyward. We don't always get the Skyward messages right away. So the best way to reach me is through the district email, hpolitsch@fbdistrict221.org, or you can always reach me by calling the high school office. If you have any questions for me, you are welcome again to email me or call the high school office and ask for me, and I will get back to you at the most convenient time. Thank you for your time, and we will look forward to a great school year.